Last time I did a video was like around a year ago. It was called Fortnite servers offline. It got over 20,000 views and it was uploaded to YouTube, but it got dislikes. But I hope like this video get likes. But I want you to like subscribe to my channel and turn on all notification and like, and you comment down below, and hope you enjoy this video. So I am now at the Epic Games stats. So voice chat is working, store is working. Let's see what services are offline. I think like everything works. Login issues. Okay, web and forms, game services, parties and friends, messaging, voice chat, matchmaking, stats and leaderboards, store, Epic Game Store, and it's this word.
Maintenance.
So what's this word? Scheduled. You see schedule maintenance. So that one's scheduled. See?
Maintenance.
So schedule maintenance like 7.3 update. And there's like generate nothing. There's an issue. I don't know why there's an issue with the game. The game is just offline. So it's gonna like 4 AM. There's an update.